In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring task on Clickup. If you're juggling multiple tasks and projects, knowing how to set tasks to repeat can be a game changer for staying organized and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Let's dive into it. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to Clickup, the all-encompassing app designed to streamline your work process. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the option to log in. The process is straightforward. Start by entering your email. Make sure it's the one you used to register or is associated with your Clickup workspace. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Remember, your password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access, so keep it secure. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to access your workspace. Once logged in, you're ready to start organizing and delegating tasks. Your home screen is your command center. Here you'll find your workspaces. For this tutorial, go ahead and select the workspace you wish to work in. With your workspace open, it's time to dive into the specifics of creating tasks. Click on a space from the options presented. Spaces in ClickUp help you categorize your work into distinct areas, which is incredibly useful for keeping tasks organized. After selecting a space, the next step is to navigate to the task you wish to make recurring or create a new one if needed. Upon locating the task, click on it to bring up its details. Here you'll see various options to customize and specify task details. What we're interested in today, however, is setting up a recurring schedule for this task. To do that, look for the dates option. Clicking this will open a menu that allows you to set start and end dates for your task, among other things. Once in the dates menu, locate and click on the set recurring option. This is where you tailor how and when you want your task to recur. The customization options here are robust, allowing for daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly recurrences. You can specify exact days of the week or months for the task to repeat, ensuring that your task aligns perfectly with your schedule and responsibilities. Crafting a recurring task in ClickUp is an effortless way to automate part of your workflow, ensuring you never miss a beat with your projects. Whether it's a weekly team meeting, a monthly report, or daily check-ins, setting tasks to recur can free up your mental space and time for more strategic thinking or deep work. Here's a pro tip. When setting up recurring tasks, take a moment to consider the task's complexity, dependencies, and your available resources. This foresight can help you avoid overcommitting and ensure that your recurring tasks are both realistic and sustainable long-term. In summary, by logging into your ClickUp workspace, selecting the appropriate space and task, and then customizing the recurrent settings under dates, you can streamline your project management and keep your workflow moving smoothly without additional manual input. Remember, the power of ClickUp lies in its flexibility and customization options. Experiment with different recurrent settings to find what works best for your unique workflow. With a bit of setup up front, you can make managing recurring tasks feel effortless. That wraps up our tutorial on how to create a recurring task in ClickUp. I hope this guide has illuminated the process and shown you just how simple it can be to automate parts of your workflow, giving you back valuable time and peace of mind. Explore, experiment, and discover the setup that works best for you and your team. Happy organizing!